Welcome to the another session of social science. In the previous class, I have started the lesson citizenship from the civics part. In that lesson, I have already explained about the meaning of citizenship, importance of citizenship, features of citizenship. So today I am going to start another point, that is methods of acquiring citizenship. To acquire or to get the citizenship of particular country, there are 4 methods. They are by birth, by inheritance, by registration and by incorporation. These are the 4 methods of acquiring citizenship. Let us discuss each method in brief. First method is by birth. Any person who takes birth in any country, he or she gets the citizenship of that particular country naturally, without considering the nationality of their parents. Their parents may be of other country, but that baby gets the citizenship of that particular country where he or she takes birth. So that birth is a very important factor in acquiring the citizenship. For example, who took birth in India on or after January 26th, on this day or after this day, who took birth in India, they are considered as Indian citizens, because on this particular day, all of you know, I think, on this particular day, India enforced its own constitution. According to the constitution, who took birth after this day or on this date, they are citizens of India. So that it is considered as birth is a very important factor in acquiring the citizenship. So next method of acquiring citizenship is by inheritance. In this method, every individual gets the citizenship by the nationality of their parents. If the parents are Indians, the baby also get the citizenship of India. For example, let me give an example. Any Indian family who lives in other country. Think an Indian family is there, that family is living out of India or in any other country. In that particular family, if the baby takes birth, that baby is considered as Indian citizen, because their parents are from India. So here the method, this is the method of acquiring citizenship by inheritance. Here also this date we can consider, means the Indian families who stay outside of the country, in that family who took birth after this date or on this date, they are considered as Indian citizens. So this is about the method of acquiring citizenship by inheritance. One more method of acquiring citizenship is by registration. Citizenship can be acquired by submission of the prescribed application form in the particular offices. Means we have to take the form from particular registration office, we have to fill that form and we have to submit, and we have to complete some conditions which are given in that application form. For example, those who are residing in India minimum of 5 years, they get the citizenship by registration, means by application, by submitting the application in prescribed offices. So this is about the method of acquiring citizenship by registration. One more method and the last method of acquiring citizenship is by incorporation. Incorporation of one country geographically with other country. Here the citizenship of incorporated country can be acquired. The meaning of this sentence is, for example, any one country want to join with other country. During that time, the people who are staying in that particular country, they get the citizenship of other country which that country is incorporated. Here generally a country gets incorporated during the time of war, and voluntarily those people can join with the other country. In that aspects, the citizenship of that incorporated country can be acquired. So this is the method of acquiring the citizenship of incorporation. So these are the 4 methods of acquiring the citizenship. Let's discuss the last point, that is methods of losing citizenship. Citizenship can be lost by the following methods. Those are by renunciation, by termination, and last one by deprivation. So these are the 3 methods of losing the citizenship. Let's discuss first point, by renunciation. Any person or any citizen of India, in the event of getting the citizenship of other country, by that time voluntarily he can renounce his citizenship of India. It means any one person, individual person, he want to get the citizenship of other country. He want to acquire the citizenship of other country, and he want to drop the Indian citizenship. By that time he has to voluntarily renounce his Indian citizenship by registration method. Means he has to apply in the registration office, he has to submit for some application form, then he can lose or lost his citizenship of a Indian country. So this is the method of by renunciation. And the one more method, that is second method, by termination. Here any citizen of India, in the event of acquiring citizenship of other country illegally in the sense without renunciation or without submitting the application form in the particular office, he was in the event of getting citizenship of other country. By that time our Indian constitution, according to the Indian constitution, that citizenship is cancelled without intimation or without expecting any application form from that particular person. That is the method of by termination. It is removed forcefully. That is called by termination. Another method of losing citizenship, that is by deprivation. In this method, any individual in the event of securing citizenship of India unlawfully, or that person found engaged in anti-national activities or insubordinate behavior against the constitution, in that case his citizenship will be cancelled. This is a forceful deprivation. Means any person he engaged in the anti-national activities, it means ದೇಶದ್ರೋಹದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, if their activity is against the law or against the Indian constitution, then their citizenship can be cancelled. So this is about the method of losing citizenship by deprivation. So these are the points we learnt in this session: methods of acquiring citizenship and methods of losing citizenship. By this, citizenship lesson is completed. Let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you so much.